Ravi and his friends made a giant snake and ladder game in their colony. Now, once the board was complete, they thought, can they play this game without a die? Well, they will need a die. Now, the dice available in the market are very small and they have a huge board. So, they need a big die too. So, Ravi decided he will make a die himself. So, he went to the market and purchased some cardboard and he cut out equal sided squares from that particular cardboard, and from these squares he could make a cube which is the shape of a die. So he cut out these squares. Now he wanted to put some ribbon on the border of these squares to make the squares look attractive. Now how much ribbon will he need? How can he calculate that? Well, his mother said that it's very simple. So he needs to calculate the perimeter of the square. So once he calculates perimeter of one square, then he will be able to find the amount of ribbon required for one particular square. But what exactly is perimeter? Well, if this is a square, so we know that in the case of square, all the sides are equal. So if this is side, then other three of them will have the same length. That is why in the case of square we call all the sides with the same name, because they are exactly of the same length. So we have side, side, side and side. So when we talk about perimeter, we know that perimeter is the length of a path or edge that surrounds a shape. So we are basically talking about this, and this entire length, which is nothing but side plus side plus side plus side, isn't it? So this is what is the perimeter of this particular shape. Now since this is a square, it means the perimeter will be sides plus sides plus sides plus sides. Now we are adding side 4 times and this is the perimeter of a square. So as we are adding side 4 times, so this can also be written as 4 into sides. So you can either add the side 4 times for a square, or you can simply multiply side with 4 and you will get the perimeter of a square. And even Ravi wanted to calculate perimeter of a square so that he can calculate the amount of ribbon required for each side of his die. So in the case of Ravi, he had cut squares of side 30 centimeters. So each of the sides will be 30 centimeters long, isn't it? So he needs to calculate the amount of ribbon required for each side, that is for one square, how much ribbon will he need? So in this case we have 30, 30, 30 and 30. Now we know that perimeter is side plus side plus side plus side. So we can write 30 centimeters plus 30 centimeters plus 30 centimeters plus 30 centimeters. So that will be 30 plus 30 is 60, 60 plus 30 is 90 and 90 plus 30 is 120. So in this case the perimeter is 120 centimeters. Now we can calculate this in another way, that is 4 into side, because we are adding side 4 times. So we can also write it as 4 into side. And what is the side here? 30 centimeters, isn't it? So we can write it as 4 into 30 centimeters, which is again 120 centimeters. So you can either add all the 4 sides individually, or you can simply use the formula 4 into side and still you will get the same answer. So 120 centimeter is the perimeter of this particular square. So for all the side, Ravi will need 120 centimeters of ribbon. So you see, by calculating the perimeter of a square, he was able to find how much ribbon he needs to put on the sides of this square. So 120 centimeters is the perimeter of this particular square. So in this case, we have a square tile of 12 centimeter side. Now since it is square, so all the sides will be of 12 centimeter, isn't it? So basically we need to find the perimeter of this particular square whose each side is 12 centimeter long. So what will be the perimeter of this particular square? What do you think? Well, the answer is very simple. Either you add 12 4 times, that is 12 centimeter plus 12 centimeter plus 12 centimeter plus 12 centimeter. So we can add the 4 sides and we get the perimeter. So 12 plus 12 is 24. 24 plus 12 is 36. And 36 plus 12 is 48. So in this case the perimeter is 48 centimeter. Now this is the simple way, or simpler than this is using the formula. Now what is the formula for calculating the perimeter of a square? Well, it's 4 into sides. And what is the side here? It's 12 centimeter, right? So 4 into 12 centimeter, which is 48 centimeter. So you see, by using the formula too, you will get the same answer. So whenever we need to calculate the perimeter of a square, we multiply side with 4. So 48 centimeter is the answer in this case. So when we have a square and we need to find the perimeter of a square, we add the 4 sides or we multiply a side with 4, and that is how we calculate perimeter of a square.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.